Hi guys, this is Luke and this is my unboxing, well more like an unpacking video of the new Enjoi HSU EOS or something like that, with grip tape and some fracture bolts, so let's get on with it. And would no doubt be the best thing on to do. Then here's with the world's greatest thing ever, bubble wrap. Oh, it's not popping. Yeah. So let's get on with the unboxing. So here's the more grip tape. Here's the fracture bolts. Oh, I forgot to get the coloured ones. Oh well, I don't know, only some bolts. Anyway. And then here's the bolts. Sick. Here's the board. Gets together there. Raw stuff. There it is. So this is the unboxing. This is the unpacking of the jerrywood Enjoi board, which is 8 inches in diameter. Bought from Route 1. Very recommend them. So yes, thank you, and like, subscribe and comment. I will be doing some unboxing, unpacking video of wheels and Spitfire wheels and some Venture trucks soon, so thank you and goodbye.